Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the best car radio for Infiniti. The Navarider car multimedia Android stereo is designed for Infiniti Q50 Q50l Q50s Q60 models from 2014 to 2020, providing an easy upgrade for in-car entertainment. It is a plug-and-play system, requiring no complicated installation, and integrates well with existing vehicle controls using CAN bus support. The stereo features powerful hardware with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, supporting an additional 256 GB of external memory via USB for efficient usage. It operates on an Android system, turning the car into a smart entertainment hub with features like Wi-Fi and 4G support, built-in GPS for navigation, and mobile phone mirroring. While it does not include a CD/DVD player, it supports various digital media formats such as MP3 and MP4. It provides clear audio with an output power of 4x50W and has a responsive 2.5-inch touchscreen display for easy access to music and apps. The interface supports over 30 languages, making it user-friendly for diverse users. The product is made of durable ABS plastic, weighs 4 kilograms, and comes with a 1-year warranty from China. Key highlights include its Android OS, touchscreen, and minimal setup requirements. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.